Hello, sir. Good morning.
Hey, hi Krishna.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I've given you a host, okay? Let's wait for some more time, like 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and then we'll get started.
Okay.
Mhm. Um, yeah, Krishna,
Yes, sir.
you can start at 11:03, okay?
Okay,
Uh,
sir.
okay, exactly 11:03 you can start. Just 2 more minutes, and then we'll start, okay? So,
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
good morning, brother.
Good morning, sir. Hope you
Ye-
are well.
Yeah, well, good. Okay, Krishna will handle from here. So I'll just I just making myself mute and then I'll be back. Okay.
Okay, sir. Can we start now? Hello, everyone. Welcome to FiboMasters, Master the Markets by Prem, sir. Today, we are again here for the stock selection for next week, that is from 11th of December to 15th of December. Today, we are focusing on Carborundum Universal, CET, Algae Equipment, GEPIL, Home First Finance, India Cement, Ingerand, Jash Engineering, Mahindra Logistics, Nazara Tech, NMDC Steel, and Titagar Rail. Now, I would like to share them on TradingView. Is my TradingView visible? See, this is carborundum universal. It has beautifully took support over this trend line and forming a W pattern. So our accumulation entry will be above this level, that is 2120 for the immediate target of 2140 to 2145, and a breakout entry is possible only about 2160 levels for the target of 1300 to 1325. The next script is see it. It has beautifully given a trend line breakout. Actually, the earlier entry was at 2190 levels, but now we are chasing a new entry only about 2370 for the target of 2450, 2485, and 2522. The next one is algae equipment. This script is taking support over a trend line, and we are planning to have an entry in this above 550 levels for the target of 570. This is our immediate target. And after crossing this hurdle, we are expecting the next target will be as 590 to 600. And once this 600 level is crossed, a breakout entry is possible for the target of 640 to 660. So basically, it's an early entry setup for us. Next is GEPIL. This trade we already had discussed and traded with our guest members last month. And it's a formation of a pole and flag breakout is expected in it. So if any candle starts sustaining about 229 or 230 levels, we are in a trade for the immediate target of 242, 252, and 265. Next is Home First Finance. This is also on a trend line breakout expecting in this. If any candle starts sustaining above 1060 levels, we are in a trade for the immediate target of 1150 levels. And if 1150 is broken, we expect a target till 1200. Next is India Cement. See the beautiful structure here. So we are planning our entry in this about 273 levels for the immediate target of 285 and 300. This 300, a psychological level, may act as a rejection. Once this 300 to 310 level is broken, we may see a target till 334. So our first target as a swing, we are considering it to be a 300. In this case, we are having an outlook of 30 points. Ingerand. Here, our entry will be above yesterday's high, that is 3200, for the immediate target of 3320. And if 3320 is sustaining, we are expecting a target till 3400 and 3450. Then, Jash Engineering. Basically, it is traveling in a range or in a parallel channel. So, a breakout is likely to be expected either in a next week or within a next week. So our entry will be above 1550 for the immediate target of 1572, 1600, 1628, and higher side targets are possible. As of now, there are no nearby rejection area seen in this. So for this, we are having a look as a breakout entry candidate. Mahindra Logistic, see a trend line breakout, and if these levels are sustaining, so we need one more confirmation for having a trade. So our entry will be above 390 levels for the target, immediate target of 400 and 414. Once 414 level are broken, then we may see a target till 423 to 440 levels. Then Nazara Tech. In Nazara Tech, our entry will be above 830 levels for the immediate target of 847, 864, 875, and 900. This is a crucial level. This is the actual breakout entry point. Once this 900 to 930 levels are broken, the target are till 1982. So we are again keeping it as a bottom fishing candidate for a trade. NMDC Steel. Here we are planning for an entry, but we need a confirmation candle. If any candle starts sustaining above 49.60 or 50 levels, then we are planning for a trade. Otherwise, we will not go for this trade. Basically, 49.60 will act as an accumulation area. You can start accumulating over this zone, or for breakout chasing, you can go above 53 levels for the target of 54, 57, and 59. And the last one is Titagarh Rail. Again, a pole and flag formation is formation. So our entry will be above 1020 for the immediate target of 1050, 1090, and 1124. Breakout is expected, so we are keeping a watch on this theta rail for next week. These are the scripts that we have filtered for this week. I just want to give a quick update on our last filtered script. This is the first script that we had filtered last week, that is Century Ply. Our entry was at 680. Our first target was 691 and next was 709. It made high of 703. Our target second was missed by 6 points in this. Dalmia Bharat, our entry was at 2260 to 2280 and our first target was 2337. Next was 2364 and the target 3 was 2411. It made target 2 and made high of 2379. Then Avenue Supermart. Basically, it hit all the targets. Our entry was from 3930 levels and it made high of 4207, almost 200 points captured in this. Fact, our accumulation entry was between this range, that is 740 to 750 was our accumulation zone, and a breakout entry will be above 772. From accumulation zone, we have entered in a trade, and our target of 3 was 821 and target 4 was 861. It made high of 855. Our target 4 missed by 6 points. Godfrey Phillips. Here, our entry was at 2086 and our first target was 2145. It hit our first target. IOL Chemical, no candle even sustained above this our breakout point, so our entry was not triggered. Nesco, our entry was at this point, that is 840, and our first target was 860 levels. It made high of 870. Nozzle, our entry was at this point, that is 249, and our target was 255 to 262. It made high of 261.60. Our target to almost met. Then Sonata Software. Our entry was at 1408 and our first target was 1494. It made high of 1485. Almost our target one met. Tata Power. It was just a blasted last week. Our entry was at 278 onwards and all our targets met. Our target was 301, 317 and 333. It made high of 335. United Breweries, basically it was an accumulation area from this zone. So from 1670 to 1748, this was our rejection zone and it exactly rejected from this area. Our target 2 achieved in this. Next is Varroc Engineering. Varroc Engineering, our trade not got activated because no candle even touched this our 587 levels. These are the scripts that we have filtered this last week, but I would like to give an update on the scripts that gave entry or hit target, which we have filtered last month. The Alchem Labs we have filtered. It hit our target third, almost 500 points captured in this. BDL was also shared last month. From here to here, all our targets met. Dredging Corp, in the last week, it gave us an entry and our target almost met. We are expecting 593 as a target. It made high of 589. In this case, we have captured 10%. GSFC we had shared earlier at this 188 levels and it didn't move that much, but as last week fertilizers scripts are zooming now, it hit our all the targets and made high of 233. We are expecting a target of 233 and it made that high. IRCTC, our entry triggered last week over this 711. Our first target was 750 and next was 778. Target 1 met and target 2 was still pending. It made high of 769. Vedant Fashion. We are accumulating from over this area. Over this area we are accumulating, and this was our rejection area. It got rejected from this zone. Radico Khaitan almost gave us 400 points move. Our entry was at 1340 levels, and our target was 1823. Straight away it gave a unidirectional move and hit our target. These are the update that we have I have given right now. I just want to share one more thing. This is the average ROI that we captured. In Century Ply, we have captured 5% this week. Dalmia Bharat gave us 5%. Dimart 7%. Fact 17%. Godfrey Phillips gave us 3%. Nesco 3%. Nosil 5%. Sonata Software 5%. Tata Power 20%. And UBL gave us 5%. Overall, we are capturing 7.8% average return this week. And now I would like to give a hard fact that most of the people, or as a trader, do. People don't realize that they are holding their loss positions. They think that their position, that the script will recover and their loss will get minimum. But they got excited on their profit position and booking the profits as soon as they see certain percentage return. So in that case, they are not taking the ride and not taking out the exact or a good return from the profit making position. This is the mistake most of the traders do. And now I would like to conclude this thing with that always experience matters, and all experience only comes from learning, execution, discipline, and your hard work. That's all from our side for this week. If any questions or queries, please let us know so we can help.
Thank you, Krishna. Thank you, Krishna, for the wonderful session. So the floor is open, and anyone have any questions or anything can ask at this point of time. We are ready to explain. Okay. So, is there anything that you want to ask? Feel free to ask. Okay. So if not, we are winding off the session today, and have a great week, and watch out the stocks which we shared today, and try to trade on them and make some good money, and be happy. Okay. Until then, bye from us. We'll see you next week. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.